This is the microBit DHT Weather Station. So it uses a external sensor for both humidity and temperature, and it's based on the DHT module, which is a Grove module, and that fits in to port 2 on BitMaker and eventually microBit. There's also a 4-digit LED display, and that goes into port 0. To see how it works, we press button A to select the parameter. At the moment, no parameter is selected. If we press 1, we get the native temperature sensor of microBit, and at the moment it's showing 20 degrees C. Press 2 and we get the temperature from the DHT measurement, which is 16. So notice there's a 4-degree difference in those temperature measurements. And if we press 3, we get the current humidity, which is 81%. Now, all of this is being run by microBit, which is on top, and it's sitting on top of an interface board called BitMaker, and only ports 0 and 1 for the display, and port 2 are being used in this configuration. To have a look of the software, we can have a look at this make code from Microsoft, and we have right at the start a configuration which configures the DHT11 module, and you can see it's been allocated to port or P2. The 4-digit LED display has been allocated to port P0 and P1, and the LED display of microBit is also initialized. So we're also going to take all those parameters, that's the temperature of the microBit, temperature of the DHT, and the humidity of the DHT sensor, and combine it into an array and feed it into the serial port and write that, and just wait 5 seconds before we repeat that. And all of that's done in the forever loop, just over here. If we press button A, we can select the parameter. So button A selects the display parameter, and it's 1 for the native microBit temperature. And that goes on to the 4-digit LED display. If it's 2, then it displays the DHT temperature. And if it's 3, it will display the humidity of the DHT sensor module. Now, all of this is going into a Excel spreadsheet. And if we look at how the data is formatted, on the left is the time, and every 5 seconds the measurements are taken. The second column, TM, is the temperature of the microBit, and you can see on these measurements it started off at 18 degrees C. The next column moving towards the right is DT, which is the temperature of the DHT sensor module. And the final column is the humidity in percent of the DHT. And those measurements are graphed on Excel as shown here. Now, the way that's been done is to use an interface called called WebUSB. And the way to activate that is to go into the simulator area and show the console data. So when you do that, you begin to collect the data. And here it's being collected. And when you press this button on the top right, it will then export the data to Excel. And it's ready to view the data almost immediately. And that's it for the microBit DHT Weather Station.